There's a previous visit video that talks about the ability to set up surveys that are not anonymous. Now, in relation to that, there are times that, of course, if you have a survey that's not anonymous, you also want to know specifically who answered what to what survey responses. So if you watch the previous video, it'll explain how to set up non-anonymous surveys. This short video, I'm just going to show you how you can access the reports for surveys that are not anonymous. So if I go to Tools, Manage Survey Invitations and Results, and I select a survey here that was not anonymous. Whoops, I'm going to go back in date. So I've got some invitations here that have responses to them. So if I pick this person here, I can actually view the responses right on screen, and I can export or email or print those responses for this one specific family. So if I go to View, and I can actually see the responses to the survey right there. Another option is under Responses Received. If I select a survey that is a not anonymous survey, it's one where the answers can be linked back to a family. There is now an option here under Preview that shows an option for printing summary or detail. If I print the summary report, it's the same report that you've always had. It simply gives you the number of answers for each survey option, so that there was 2 answers received, 2 answers received. However, if I select the detailed report here, it will actually show me all the survey responses received in this period of time and who responded in what way. And what it's showing here is the patient name. So the number of people that responded 1 to 3 nights, those are the people that responded that. This is 4 to 7 nights. This one was still anonymous. That was before I had changed the video from, the survey from an anonymous survey to a not anonymous survey. And then the answers, if there are comments given, it also shows the name of the person that gave those comments. This report is also available on the reports screen. So if I go to reports and I go to the survey section, there is a responses received detailed, and I can select specifically my sample survey. So if I run it for one of the ones that's anonymous, you'll actually see here that all the responses are just given as anonymous. So you don't know who gave that response. You can just tally it up and see how many people gave the response. But if I run it for one that's not anonymous and I preview the results there, now I actually get names. Again, there's an anonymous here because it was done before I changed the survey over. But this gives you a lot of, makes the survey tool very powerful in the sense of that you can use the survey tool to actually look for responses for specific people and very quickly aggregate those responses and find them back.